Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video, man. Now listen, I've been going through, I was on a long losing streak for a while. That whole time that I took away, thankfully I wasn't making videos because I've just been posting a bunch of L's. But since I've been making videos again, maybe that's telling me that I need to stick with being consistent here on my channel. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys that continue to come back and watch. If you're new to the channel, my goal is still 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but I only can do it one at a time. So if you're new around here and you see that big button down below and it's still red, you're doing it all wrong. It should be gray. Make sure you come over here and join the movement, man, join the team, man. But yeah, so the sneaker guys wasn't smiling on me over that time that I took away. But since I've been back, they've been blessing me, man. And a little impromptu trip to the Nike outlet recently. I didn't even vlog or anything like that. Obviously, there's no video above it. But we went to the Nike outlet over for the Memorial Day 30% off sales and stuff that they usually do. But we didn't even make it up there because it was just like random. So we didn't make it up there to the middle of the afternoon. And I'm like, there's nothing gonna be in here. There's nothing in here ever anyway, even if we would have came up here when they opened. So we were like, all right, let's just go and see. Maybe we stop by Polo and a couple other places to take advantage of those sales. But anyway, I'm rambling. Y'all want to see what I actually copped. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know. That'll be in the description down below as well. But I'll start off. I got two things from the Nike outlet. I'll start off with the first thing. First thing, I'll show y'all. You got the Nike Air Max 270, and you can see the size of this box. This is not for me. This is for Josiah. So as you can see, you got that size 5. And we'll crack into this box, show you real quick what these are. Now the retail price on these is 120 doll hairs. I am not paying $120 for any more of his sneakers. He's 9 years old. It doesn't make sense. But anyway, bam. Now these are dope. Did not pay $120 for these. I paid $65 out the door on these 270s. I don't even own a pair of 270s, and they look awesome on his feet. I'm not going into some full detailed review on these. Y'all have seen these plenty of times, but you got obviously your big red air unit back here, all black uppers, midsole white going into gray with the 270 on the lateral side, and the Air 270 over here. Nike check on the inside and outside, and toe box. But anyway, so these are dope. Glad he was able to get these. $65. Now, a little bit of story time on these. This sneaker is something that I wanted, but I don't think, it might have been in between releases of something else that I wanted, or I might just not have been in the financial position at the time to be able to buy something every week or something. I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke! So like whenever these release, I didn't get them, but even though I wanted them. But that's why being a smart sneakerhead and being a patient sneakerhead is vital. Because sometimes things come back around. If it's not extremely limited, but it's something you want, believe me, if you be patient enough, the sneaker guys will smile down on you. So I'll show you this box. As you can see, obviously we have a LeBron James sneaker here. Got the all black box with the Dunkman in the middle, with the LJ on the top, with the crown. I'll read off the size tag. Size 11, court purple, tour yellow, and that's pretty much it. Now, I'll try to, if I can find it, I'll throw some theme music in here, but I'm just gonna pull these out. I'm gonna pull out one just because they're both the same. It's not like my What the LeBrons. Bam. You got your Jordan LeBron.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Jordan LeBron. You got your LeBron. You got your LeBron 16 Martins, man. Now, the story behind getting these sneakers, I got these sneakers for $120 flat out the door. Now, I might have to pull out the other sneaker. But anyway, this sneaker was on You know how they have on the end caps of the owls, you can buy it at Nike, available on Nike.com or something like that. They had this sneaker there, but it wasn't even on the end cap on the owl. It was behind the counter, still sitting on the end cap. And I'm like, man, damn, I really wanted those, man. When they came out, I didn't get an opportunity. It was like, well, we can probably order them, blah, blah, blah. I was like, nah, I like to have mine right now. Like, if I wanted to get them, I want them right now. I don't want to wait. And she was like, well, what size do you need? I was like, I need an 11 in those. She was like, that's a size 11. You want to try it on? God damn it. So she was like, if it fits and you want them, we can do those for the 30% off, just like the rest of the sneakers in the store. So I tried it on. Fit like I knew it was gonna fit. I got the LeBron, so I knew how they were gonna fit. I knew how they were gonna look on my foot, and I knew I was gonna want them. So I got them. I was like, all right, I'm gonna take them. But then I saw the other sneaker, and I figured it was worth asking. This is a very, very, very minor blemish. You see this little loose prime knit at the upper, which you can just cut off. I can just clip that off with a fingernail clipper. I was like, man, is there anything additional I can get off for, you know what I'm saying, a defect on this sneaker? He was like, oh, let me find out, let me ask. She came over, the manager came over, they know me by my first name, and they were like, I'm
gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
She was like, I can do an additional 10% off, you know, if that's cool enough, if that's good enough. 40% off of these. So it was 200, like after tax and all that, down to 120 out the door. 120 out of the door for these 16 Martins. They retail for 185 plus was like $200. So I'm happy with my purchase, man. This is gonna be my best come up so far this year. The first 5 months of the year, this is definitely my best come up of the year. It already came laced, double lace, which I was going to do to this sneaker anyway. I was going to do this with the laces. I like it better this way because it makes the whole sneaker pop. The sneaker is colorful. I want this to be a summer sneaker. This all court purple uppers, the red and the yellow laces. You got your Nike on the inside in a different type of script, and then obviously on the back you got all of the sayings, a lot of the sayings from Martin show. Martin is my favorite sitcom of all time. For those of you that don't know, I had to have these, man. And you got your LeBron on the insole, written like the Martin logo of the show, and then you got the LeBron logo on the tongue as well. Outsole, Dunkman down here, like creamy white here, and you got a blue pot in the middle. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if I got a steal on these, if you even like them at all. Like if you don't like them, it's not a steal. Some sneakers you couldn't pay me to wear, so that might be the same feeling y'all got for these. But do you think I got a steal for $120 for these out the door? I think I did. Like I said, I appreciate y'all watching my channel. I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. And let me know what's your steal of the year so far, man. What have you came up on, whether it's on something on sale, whether it's at the Nike, Adidas, some outlet or something like that. I definitely feel like I had a huge come up on this right here. The goal, 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're gonna make it, you know what I wanna do? I'm gonna say like August. I wanna be at 3,000 subscribers. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. 3,000 by August, 5,000 by the end of the year. I don't know. Let's just throw that out there. I love y'all. OVE!
I've been dreaming.